Meaning of escapade.
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 Escapade. Escapade means an adventure or a reckless, exciting experience. It usually refers to a daring or unusual undertaking that is potentially risky or dangerous, but also thrilling and exciting. Engaging in an escapade can often lead to unexpected outcomes, both positive and negative. When someone goes on an escapade, they are seeking a break from their normal routine and want to experience something new and exciting. However, the results of an escapade can be unpredictable and may have lasting consequences for those involved.